There it is, you guys. I couldn't wait any longer. The car is not 100% done. I still need to go pick up the trims, the little side skirt trim things that go on the bottom from my brothers, but I don't want to keep you guys waiting. There it is. You guys have no idea how I feel right now. I feel excited. I feel happy. I feel at peace. This car has been an absolute crazy amount of work. For those who followed the entire build, I'm probably talking all weird because I have these rubber bands. Let me take them off. So for those that followed the entire build, I started this in December. We are now on September. Today's September 19th, so about 10 months to build this car. For those who have not followed the entire build, I have a playlist. It's called MKIV Supra build, and it's going to show you everything that I did to this car. It's a crazy amount of work, you know. So just to run down a few things, everything. I did everything on the car. It's not a few things, like literally everything. So basically I tore the entire interior apart, down to the heater core. I took out the heater core, changed that. I took out the seats, the carpet, the back seats. I did a custom trunk setup, everything. Actually, let me show you guys real quick. For those who have not kept up with this car, I highly recommend that you guys go back and just see, that's the interior. Beautiful. So I highly recommend that you guys go back and just take a look at the entire build. All this, I did it all by myself. So actually the entire thing, the entire build, I did it all by myself. The only thing that I did have to do is I did have my brother do all the body work, because that is something that takes a long time and I have no experience with that. But I did all the interior. I did all the custom intercooler piping. I built a 4-inch exhaust. It's not on the car yet, but it's gonna go on the car later. I did all the wrap. I did the window tint, the wheels and tires, the wing, the wiring. I mean, it was an absurd amount of work. You guys just go back and watch all the videos. I can't. Oh God. You guys have no idea how I feel right now. It's I mean, of course the car's not done. It's never gonna be done. I mean, who am I kidding? When is a car ever done? When is a project car ever really done? This car is not done. My Mustang's not done. The Eclipse is not done. They're never done. You know, us as car enthusiasts, as car guys, we're never satisfied. We always get bored. We always want something different. So safe to say, it's not done. It's drivable. I'll show you guys a quick driving clip here at the end of the video. And yeah, I mean, now I can finally present the car to you. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I told you I wanted to get the car to where it's presentable. I think that's pretty presentable. But yeah, I mean, it's been a long project. This took many nights. You know, I was working on the car during my lunch breaks, because I do work from home at the moment. I was working on the car during my lunch breaks. I was working on the car after work. I was working on the car on the weekends. I honestly, for like the last 10 months, I didn't take any breaks at all, like not even one day. And even like, let's say if it was like a day where I was able to sit down on the couch and maybe, you know, watch a movie, I never watched the whole movie because my mind was just on the car. I needed to finish it. I just couldn't let it sit there. I don't know why I put so much pressure on myself, but you know what, it turned out pretty good, so I'm happy. Yeah, my wife is very happy about the car. She loves it. She's actually the one that chose the color. So what do you think about the color? I love it. It's called gloss charcoal metallic, and man, it's beautiful. And the wheels, the Weld RTS S71s, They're the same style as my wheels. It's just that these are 17s in the front, 15s in the rear. But I think I'm gonna switch them around. So I'm gonna put these on mine, those on hers. I'm not sure yet, we'll see. If you guys follow the entire build, I really do appreciate you guys watching. Now we finally get to the good stuff. I'm gonna start doing all my favorite things that I love to do to cars. I have a big brake kit for it. We're gonna install the exhaust. We're gonna finally do like a, the boost controller, get the car tuned, do the two-step, POV videos, all that stuff. I mean, finally, I've been working for 10 months. I've been working for 10 months straight to finally get to this point, and we're here. But with that being said, I need a break. I am extremely tired. I mean, I'm sure you guys are probably busy as well, but 10 months can put a lot of stress and wear on you. So I'll give you an example. For the last 10 months, I have been obviously working my full-time job. I work, my Monday through Friday job. I have been managing this YouTube account. I have managed my Instagram account. I have been building this car, fixing the other cars like the Mustang, doing videos with this. I mean, you guys, it's been a crazy year, and besides all that virus stuff and being a father, being a husband. Damn, how'd I do it? Oh man. But anyways, you guys, the car's there. I guess it was possible. And I remember whenever I first got this car, there were some people who used to say, oh, it's bought. Yeah, I did buy the car. So what? I mean, if you can buy the car built and it's a great car, it doesn't matter. But guess what? I can buy them and I can build them. So for those people who were, I hate to be like that, but for those people who were kind of talking crap about me, there it is. There you go, man. Eat your own words. Don't be a hater, man. Don't be a hater. Whenever you hate on people, you're probably fueling that person to do even more. But you guys, I really appreciate you guys watching and keeping up with this build. So now let's go ahead and get busy on the fun stuff. But by the time you guys are watching this video, I will more than likely be somewhere on a beach, somewhere relaxing, because I'm tired. But there it is, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Holy crap. Alright, so unfortunately my neighbors are pissed off.